Hi guys, today I'm gonna sharing with you another type of lock, and it is Onity digital lock. Now I will share with you the capabilities of this lock, and we will explore the mechanical aspect of this. Well, to remove it from the door, we always start from the inside of the lock. Okay, so with a GKT9 torques, this is what we need to remove the screw, special screw from the tumbler. A little slot there, right? That is the slot. And then, in order to prevent the door from being scratched, this is a surface which has been varnished. So what you do is insert a thin metal or just a spatula, and then okay, just a minute, spatula there, and then if you have a prying tools, which is a thin one, you can insert that here in this slot and then pry this bottom open. Okay, all right. Now the inner plate is removed, and then there are screws here which need attached on the surface of the door, which need also to be removed. Take this out, and now this is the electronic lock. Okay, so we will take this out, and it's also a torque screw, the same GKT9. It's now all been taken out, so we'll take this out now. Okay, so that is how it is now. This is one weak part of this electronics. I'm going to fabricate something within this area, and it will hold this part here. Okay, we'll fabricate. Okay guys, now I found out about the broken part that digital lock is this one, the one which hold this inside bar. It's broken, so I have to do something about it, and I have to fabricate. And I found this from a Sergeant, and it fits quite well. Okay guys, now I saw the problem of that digital lock which has a broken holder. This plastic is broken that holds the inner bar of the lever handle. It's broken here and it cannot be returned back. So what I will do now is that replace it, and this is a Sargent inner rose which is quite just right for the size of the diameter of this. I will cut this through and through and I will insert it from inside. It will stop here anyway because there is a stopper from here, and then I will just install something that level the same size as this protruding part here. Right, so I will continue with the repair and I will make a hole through and through. Alright, that's it. Let's see you next. Okay, great. Now now replacing this broken parts of this Onity digital locks is now finished, and it's ready for installation. This is what I did. Right, this is from inner rose of Sargent which I modified. To fit in there, and then I fabricate a washer, a plastic in which this is two pieces. The inner one I cut it off and spread it out so that it will be coming on this barrier here, right? Goes like that. Next, another washer which I have made. It's going like this. All right, now inserting this inside and I make the screw a little bit longer. Okay, so that's how it is. Now let's try it. Yeah, all right, now it's ready for reassembly. Okay folks, so that is how to repair the when there is sometimes chance that this is broken, mostly because this will break. Actually, this is plastic, when it for a long time become brittle and it snap into half. All right, so that's the video. It's I was trying to contribute, and the next video which I'm doing will be to let this knob from the inside. The knob from the inside, I want it to be only going downside, not two ways, in which upside and downside, because there is quite flaws on this when this level handle can be pulled up. So I have to make a video on this and how to make this one way only going down, right? And it is also interchangeable. You can install it left and right, but still it is going down, not going up like this, because I saw some guys who had opened the door from the outside due to this weakness here, due to this flaws here. Alright, so thanks for watching and good day. Watch for my next video on modifying this into a one-way turn downward. Okay.